We'll guide you through how to configure Prettier in VS Code to keep your code looking great and consistent. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your VS Code editor. You'll want to make sure Prettier is installed, so go to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon in the sidebar or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Type Prettier in the search bar and select the extension called Prettier Code Formatter by Prettier. Click on Install if it's not already installed. Once that's done, you need to configure it to work the way you want. Go to File in the top menu, then click on Preferences and select Settings. In the search bar at the top of the Settings window, type Prettier. You'll see options for configuring Prettier. Make sure Editor Format on Save is checked. This ensures your files are automatically formatted when you save them. You can also adjust other settings like tab width or whether to use single quotes. Scroll down to see all the customizable settings. If you want Prettier to only format specific file types, click on Edit in Settings.json under the Prettier configuration. Here, you can specify file types by adding something like prettier.weckerconfig, true, and files.associations, JS JavaScript to your settings. This means Prettier will only run on files with these extensions. Save the settings and close the settings.json file. Now, every time you save a file, it will be formatted according to your Prettier settings. This is super helpful for keeping your code clean and consistent. If you're working with a team, you might want to share these settings by adding them to your project's .prettierrc file or package.json file. This ensures everyone on your team is using the same format settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.